Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow your connections in LinkedIn. So here I'm in my connections list right here. Now let's say I want to unfollow this connection right here. For that purpose, just click on it. It will take you to the profile. Now in here, click on the three dots right here. And in here, click on unfollow username. Click on it. And after that, you would have successfully unfollowed your connection. So that is how you can unfollow your connection in LinkedIn. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow your connections in LinkedIn. So here I'm at my home page right here. Now once you're here to click on connection on the left side right here. Now in here click on connections. Now in here select the connection that you want to unfollow, and after you selected it, click on their profile name. Now once you're at your profile, click on more right here, and after that you would have an unfollow option. Click on it, and after that click on unfollow, and your connection would be unfollowed from you. So that is how you can unfollow your connection in LinkedIn.